Windsor. That's Mama's chair. Mama was sitting there. Windsor Doodle. What are you doing? Oh, don't. Oh, okay. You would have squashed the tablet.
Come on, buddy.
You gonna set with... Scoot over. Scoot over. Okay, sit down. Bug, you might as well move to the couch with him because he's gonna sit on you no matter what, because that's what he does. How are you? Windsor. Are you a good boy? Yes, you are. What's wrong with you? Huh? You're not going to go outside because I think you want to go out and bark at people.